Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best art of shaving oil is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of a truly superior shaving experience, transforming a mundane daily ritual into a moment of refined self-care. This isn't just about lubrication, it's about preparing your skin and beard for the closest, most comfortable shave possible, minimizing irritation and maximizing glide, ensuring that every stroke of your razor is a step towards a smoother, healthier complexion. If you're tired of nicks, razor burn, and dryness, then investing in a high-quality pre-shave oil like this could be the game-changer you've been searching for, elevating your grooming routine to a new level of sophistication and effectiveness. Number 5. Viking Revolution Luxury Safety Razor Shaving Kit. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our luxury safety razor kit. It's designed to provide a close, comfortable shave every time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a traditional wet shave. From the precision razor to the nourishing balms, we've got you covered. Our double-edged safety razor is expertly crafted for balance and control. Enjoy a smooth glide and exceptional results with every use. Prepare your skin with our pre-shave oil and soothe it post-shave with our revitalizing balm. It's the perfect duo for healthy, comfortable skin. Elevate your grooming routine with this all-in-one shaving solution. It's the perfect gift for yourself or the discerning gentleman in your life. Embrace the classic art of shaving with modern engineering. This kit offers a timeless aesthetic combined with outstanding performance for a truly luxurious feel. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a superior shave. It includes a high-quality safety razor, stand, bowl, aftershave balm, pre-shave oil, and a badger brush. If you're looking for a complete, traditional shaving experience or are new to safety razors, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. It's a great product that leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. The oil has a pleasant scent and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It helps to prevent razor burn and irritation, resulting in a closer shave. Number 4. Viking Revolution Sandalwood Pre-Shave Oil. Tired of razor burn and irritation? Introducing our Sandalwood Pre-Shave Oil, designed to give you the smoothest shave possible. This specially formulated oil creates a protective barrier between your skin and the razor. It helps to soften your beard for a closer, more comfortable shave. Say goodbye to nicks and cuts. Our pre-shave oil ensures an irritation-free experience, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and smooth. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, this oil is perfect for you. It's gentle yet effective, providing a consistent, high-quality shave every time. Enjoy the classic, masculine scent of sandalwood as you prepare for your shave. It adds a touch of luxury to your daily grooming routine. Simply apply a few drops to your damp face before shaving. It lathers well and rinses off easily, making your shaving process more efficient. What we like. This pre-shave oil is designed to prepare your skin for a smoother shave. It helps to soften the beard and create a protective barrier, minimizing irritation and razor burn. If you experience razor bumps or have sensitive skin, incorporating this into your routine can make a significant difference. What people say. This oil is a great pre-shave treatment that softens the beard and prepares the skin for a smooth shave. It creates a slick surface that allows the razor to glide effortlessly, reducing nicks and irritation. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering, and it rinses off cleanly without leaving a greasy residue. Number 3. Anthony Aftershave Balm for Men. Experience immediate relief after shaving with this specially formulated balm. It's designed to calm and comfort your skin, reducing any irritation. Feel a refreshing wave of coolness as it hydrates your skin. This balm leaves your face feeling revitalized and moisturized. Enriched with essential vitamins A, C, and E, along with aloe vera and botanical extracts. These ingredients work together to nourish your skin. It goes beyond just soothing, it actively nourishes your skin, helping to restore its natural balance. Enjoy healthier-looking skin with every use. Say goodbye to uncomfortable razor burn. This balm effectively minimizes redness and irritation, ensuring a smooth finish. Make it a part of your daily grooming routine. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, making it ideal for everyday application. What we like. This aftershave balm offers a cooling and hydrating sensation to calm your skin post-shave. Enriched with vitamins and botanical extracts, it effectively soothes, moisturizes, and nourishes. If you're prone to dryness or redness after shaving, this balm will help restore and protect your skin. What people say. This oil is a great pre-shave treatment that softens the beard and prepares the skin for a smooth shave. It creates a slick surface that allows the razor to glide effortlessly, reducing nicks and irritation. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering, making it enjoyable to use. Number 2. Pacific Shaving Company Natural Shaving Oil. Tired of nicks and razor burn? Discover a revolutionary way to shave that leaves your skin feeling incredibly smooth and comfortable. It's time to upgrade your grooming routine. Our unique formula works to calm and hydrate your skin with every use. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to a healthier, more radiant complexion. Formulated with safe, natural ingredients, it effectively reduces redness and discomfort. Enjoy a gentle yet powerful shaving experience. Proudly crafted in the USA, you can trust the quality and care that goes into every bottle. Experience the difference of premium ingredients. Achieve that perfect shave you've always wanted, without the hassle. It's the simple solution for a superior shave, every single day. What we like. This natural shaving oil is formulated to help you achieve a close shave while preventing nicks and razor burn. It provides excellent lubrication and moisturizes the skin simultaneously. If you prefer a minimalist shaving routine or are looking for a product that reduces irritation and dryness, this is a great choice. What people say. This oil is a game changer for shaving. It provides an incredibly smooth glide for the razor, reducing nicks and irritation. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. It leaves the skin feeling moisturized and soft after shaving, without any greasy residue. Number 1. Striking Viking Sandalwood Aftershave Balm. Experience immediate relief from post-shave irritation. Our balm calms and soothes your skin after every shave. Infused with sandalwood, this balm provides deep hydration. It leaves your skin feeling soft and moisturized. Prepare your skin for a smooth shave. It helps create a protective barrier, ensuring a comfortable experience. More than just an aftershave, it's essential for your beard care routine. Keep your facial hair healthy and manageable. Enjoy the classic, masculine scent of sandalwood. It provides a refreshing aroma that lasts. Designed for the modern man who values quality skincare. Elevate your grooming ritual with this premium lotion. What we like. This aftershave balm, with its signature sandalwood scent, is perfect for post-shave skin care. It provides soothing relief from irritation and helps to heal and protect your skin. If you enjoy a masculine fragrance and need effective relief from razor burn and dryness, this balm is ideal for you. What people say. This product is a game changer for shaving. It leaves my skin feeling incredibly smooth and moisturized. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.